Gas welding is a process that uses a flame produced by burning a fuel gas, commonly acetylene, with oxygen to melt and join metal parts. It is widely used for welding thin metals, maintenance work, and brazing. Gas welding operates by combining oxygen and a fuel gas in a torch to produce a flame that melts the base metal and filler rod. The molten metal then solidifies, forming a strong joint. There are several types of gas welding. Oxyacetylene welding, or OAW, is the most common and uses acetylene and oxygen. Oxyhydrogen welding uses hydrogen instead of acetylene and is suitable for aluminum and thin sheets. Acetylene welding uses atmospheric air and acetylene and is used in light applications. Pressure gas welding involves applying pressure while heating to form a joint. The tools and equipment used in gas welding include gas cylinders, which consist of an oxygen cylinder with a black body and white top that stores oxygen at high pressure, and an acetylene cylinder with a maroon or red body that contains acetylene gas dissolved in acetone. Gas regulators control the pressure of oxygen and acetylene gas flow, with oxygen regulators usually being green and acetylene regulators red. The welding torch is a handheld device where oxygen and acetylene mix before ignition, featuring control valves for adjusting gas flow and a nozzle for directing the flame. Hoses and connectors include an oxygen hose, which is blue, and an acetylene hose, which is red, supplying gases to the torch and fitted with check valves to prevent gas backflow. Welding rods, or filler rods, are used to fill the weld joint and are often made of the same material as the base metal, such as mild steel rods for steel welding, brass rods for brazing, and aluminum rods for aluminum welding. A spark lighter or striker is a flint-based tool used to ignite the gas mixture. Welding goggles or a face shield protect the eyes from intense light and flying sparks, usually tinted to reduce glare. Gloves and protective clothing, such as heat-resistant leather gloves and fireproof overalls, ensure safety. Flux is a chemical substance applied to remove oxidation and enhance bonding, mainly used for brazing and aluminum welding. There are three types of flames in gas welding. A neutral flame, which has a 1:1 ratio of oxygen and acetylene, is used for general welding. A carburizing flame, which has excess acetylene, is used for welding high-carbon steel. An oxidizing flame, which has excess oxygen, is used for welding copper and brass. Gas welding has various applications, including automotive repair and bodywork, metal sculpture and artistic works, pipeline and sheet metal welding, brazing and soldering, and small-scale fabrication.